We'll guide you through how to fix an Android not downloading and installing apps. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a super annoying problem as it means you can't go and get them on your phone. So let's go and get started. We've got some different things you can try doing, so make sure you watch this full video. First of all, just come and close out of the Play Store. What you want to do is make sure your device has got plenty of storage. If it hasn't got enough space, it won't be able to go and download and install apps. To check this, go and open up your settings just like so. You need to go and scroll down and go and find device care just here, and then you should be able to see your storage. I've got 88 gigabytes free, which is plenty. If you've got very little space left, go and click on it here and you can see what's taking it up, and you can find stuff you can go and delete. If that solves the problem, then great. However, if it doesn't, you need to come back to your settings. Then what you need to do is just come back to your main page, go and click on apps, and then what you need to do is go and find Google Play. Here's the Google Play Store here, go and click on it. Then what you want to do is scroll down and find the option for storage. And then in the bottom right, you want to go and click on Clear Cache. And then what you want to do is go and return to the Play Store and go and see if you can now download and install apps. Hopefully you can. If you still can't, then what you want to try doing is restarting your device. To do that, hold down the side power button and you should go and see these options here. You can click on restart and restart again to confirm your decision and wait. After it's restarted, hopefully you'll be able to download apps. If you found this useful, then leave a like.